Cancer loves acid. Cancer also loves no oxygen. The other thing cancer loves is sugar. So knowing those things, it makes a lot of sense to alkalize the tissues.
This is Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a world-renowned health expert who has changed the life of millions with her teachings. Today, she will expose to us the 5 alkaline foods that starve cancer cells.
How do you starve the cancer? And so when people come to us wanting help to conquer cancer, you see what we do? We suggest a diet that's highly alkalizing. We suggest ways to oxygenate the body. And we also greatly eliminate the glucose, the sugars going into the body.
At the end of this video, Dr. Barbara will share 2 key health tips that can significantly boost your chances of leading a cancer-free life. But first, let's take a moment to understand what alkaline means. Our bodies constantly work to maintain a delicate balance between acid and alkaline levels in the blood, known as pH balance. The foods we eat play a big role in influencing these levels. A diet rich in alkaline foods can help create an environment that cancer cells dislike. Dr. Barbara emphasizes the importance of boosting the alkaline levels in your blood because cancer cells thrive in acidic conditions but struggle to survive in an alkaline environment. By focusing on a diet that promotes alkalinity, you can actively help prevent cancer growth. Now, let's dive into the 6 powerful alkaline foods that can help starve cancer cells and support overall health. Stay tuned for more insights on achieving a healthier, cancer-resistant body.
What foods have an acid effect and what foods have an alkaline effect? And this will enable you to ensure that you're having a more alkaline diet.
The first food is lemon.
The first alkaline food I'm putting up here is the humble lemon, and you might say, no, the lemon's acid. It is. And it's acid where it should be. There's only one part in the body that should be acid. You know where that is? Stomach. It must be acid, because if you don't have an acid stomach, you can't break your proteins down. That's why you'll find that most of our salad dressings have lemon in them. But when it is broken down in the gut and the minerals are dispersed and absorbed into the blood and thus to the tissues, it has an alkaline effect. Because the lemon is high in the alkaline minerals, which is sodium and potassium, calcium, magnesium and iron. These are the alkaline minerals. Don't you love the lemon? Every home should have a lemon tree. And if you're in a unit, you can have a lemon tree in a pot on your veranda.
Lemon is a nutritious fruit that, when digested, releases alkaline-forming minerals in the body. These minerals help raise the alkaline levels of the blood, creating an environment where cancer cells find it difficult to thrive. Lemons can be consumed in various ways, such as eating them raw, adding them to salad dressings, or using lemon juice for flavoring food like tuna. Dr. Barbara recommends consuming 1 lemon per day to enhance overall health by maintaining a healthy pH balance in the body. This simple habit supports cancer prevention and overall well-being. The second food is dark green leafy vegetables.
Dark green leafy vegetables we should be eating every day. That's your kale, that's your parsley, that's your collard greens, spinach and silver beet, kale. We should be eating something from the dark green family of vegetables every single day. And if you don't, you really should have a dose of green barley or super greens.
Dark green leafy vegetables, such as kale, parsley, and spinach, are packed with nutrients and have a strong alkaline effect on the body. These vegetables come in the form of leaves and do not include fruits. They can be enjoyed in various ways, such as in salads, or eaten raw or steamed. Dr. Barbara recommends incorporating these vegetables into your daily meals for their health benefits, which include promoting an alkaline environment in the body, helping to support overall wellness, and preventing cancer cell growth. The third food is vegetables.
Also vegetables. Vegetables have an alkaline effect. But there is a question mark with vegetables. I'm putting a question mark here because for some people these have an alkaline effect and sometimes an acid effect. There's the tomato and bell pepper, or in Australia we call that capsicum. Also eggplant and some countries call this aubergine. And last is the potato. Now this is not the sweet potato. The sweet potato is actually not a potato. The sweet potato is a yam. I'm referring to the English potato or the Irish potato. This is the nightshade group of vegetables, and for some people they have an acid effect, and for some people they have an alkaline effect.
It is important to know what effect these vegetables have on your body by listening to the response these foods give when you eat them. Do they cause you any form of reactions or discomfort? Listening closely to your body's reaction can help you understand which food is best for you.
That's why the fine tuning is yours. No man on the planet can tell you the fine tuning, only your body can.
The fourth food is legumes.
Lima beans and lentils and soy are the three alkaline forming legumes.
Legumes, classified within the bean family, are highly nutritious and alkaline-forming foods that Dr. Barbara recommends for a cancer-preventing diet. Some key legumes include lima beans, lentils, soybeans, and Irish potatoes. Lima beans can be roasted or added to soups for a nourishing flavor, while soybeans can be enjoyed cooked or made into soybean milk. Lentils are versatile and can be served cooked or mixed into salads for added taste and nutrition. Irish potatoes can be boiled, made into porridge, or included in salads. No matter how you choose to prepare these legumes, they provide a satisfying, alkaline-rich addition to your diet, helping to create an environment hostile to cancer cells. The fifth food is grains.
For your grains, the millet is alkaline. Quinoa, these are alkaline grains, but they're also gluten-free grains, so that's made them very popular. Amaranth. Amaranth is a grain that's not very well known. I think the Aztecs, traditionally they've eaten the quinoa and the amaranth. It's a very tiny grain, and when you cook it, it goes like a lump of glue.
Grains such as millet, quinoa, and amaranth are known for their ability to raise alkaline levels in the body, helping to starve cancer cells and promote overall health. These grains can be prepared in various delicious ways. Millet can be boiled and served with stew, incorporated into salads, or made into porridge. Quinoa is versatile and can also be enjoyed in salads or as a warm porridge. Including these grains in your daily meals not only adds a refreshing taste, but also provides essential nutrients that support the healthy alkaline environment, aiding in the prevention of cancer cell growth and boosting overall wellness. The sixth food is nuts.
The two nuts are your almond and Brazil, and all your seeds have an alkaline effect.
Nuts like almonds and Brazil nuts are common nuts that increase the alkaline level of the blood. Almonds can be enjoyed in their raw form or as almond milk. Brazil nuts also make a tasty addition to your diet. Now for the 2 cancer healing tips from Dr. Barbara. Number 1 is sunshine.
So if someone has cancer, the first thing you do is put them in the sunshine. No matter where the cancer is, put it in the sunshine. The sunshine purifies. The sunshine penetrates deep into the body. Skin cancer only has arisen since people started to eat devitalized food and they stopped spending time in the sun. Did everyone hear that? They stopped spending time in the sun. In fact, vitamin D deficiency is a big contributing factor to skin cancer.
Research indicates that increasing sunlight exposure can lower the risk of developing cancers such as colorectal, breast, and prostate by 30% to 50%. This is largely due to the production of vitamin D, which the body generates when the skin is exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D is crucial for various bodily functions, including supporting the immune system and maintaining bone health. However, it's important to avoid excessive sun exposure to prevent sunburn, which could lead to other serious skin conditions. Dr. Barbara suggests that insufficient sunlight may actually increase the risk of skin cancer, as regular exposure helps maintain optimal health. Balancing sun exposure can be a powerful tool for cancer prevention and overall well-being.
Skin cancer is not because of the sun. Skin cancer is often because of lack of sun, so lack of vitamin D.
Number 2 is no fruits for 6 weeks.
How do you starve the cancer? What we advocate, and we have seen some excellent results with this, is no fruit for 6 weeks. And then someone might say, but Barbara, fruit is good. God made fruit good. He certainly did. There is no doubt about that. But if someone has a serious health condition, they may need to stop that fruit for a period of time. Can you see why? Because cancer consumes 15 times the glucose of any other cell. When you deprive cancer cells of glucose, they self-destruct.
Many fruits are proven to have high levels of glucose, and as Dr. Barbara said, cancer loves glucose. Eating fruits can increase the body's sugar level, feeding the cancer cells and causing them to grow and multiply. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to Natural Ways for more expert health content. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who may benefit from this information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.